Alright, that was a nice interlude. We were talking to a lady with a cute dog, learned some new stuff, and back to shelling. So, Happy New Year. It is January 1st here on Sanibel Island. Early morning. Well, not early. It's 9, probably 9:30 by now. Not too early. Didn't get up crack of dawn this morning because low tide is about now, 9:48. And if you watched my last night video, that was the shell line. See how big of a difference the tides are in just the span of like 6 hours? Well, that makes me happy. If you watched my last video talking to that lady with the dog, that makes me very happy. Makes me rethink I do want to get another dog. We just don't know when yet. Still recovering from the loss of Vicious 2 years ago. I had an American Eskimo named Vicious, but I kind of feel like I'm ready for another dog. I think it's been long enough. Robert's ready for another dog. Is that a buried tulip? Or just a piece? Just a piece. Here is a piece of a fig. That would have been nice. As you can see, it's a pretty rough surf. Oh, there's a piece of a worm. This is the first worm I've seen this trip. There's a broken shark's eye right there. That looked like a tulip, but it's just a slipper. Lots of clams still hooked together. Ooh, there's a fig. That's broken. Did I just pick that up? I don't need that many clam shells. Did you find something? Or he did. I was just standing, I almost missed this olive. Wow, there's a bunch of figs today. They're all broken though. So it's 74 right now, but the wind is blowing. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt and I'm perfectly comfortable. It's hard to, excuse me. It's hard to gauge Florida weather when you're not from Florida. Because 74 in St. Louis, I would be wearing pants and a long sleeve shirt. 74 in Florida, shorts and a t-shirt are perfectly comfortable. Just like when you go to Alaska and they're like 30 below, or not, what's a good example? Like 20 is like freezing and they're like, it's still cold, but they're okay. You just get used to your weather in your area. Is that another foot? Oh my God. This is crazy. This is the third foot I have found on this trip. Alright, we're coming up to that big shell pile. Usually I say, like, feel free to look through any shell piles. There's always stuff to be found, but I haven't done it this trip. For one, the red tide was kind of bothering me, and two, it just looks like a whole bunch of bleached shells, and sometimes I save those shell piles for last resort when there's nothing else to look at, but this beach has plenty of other shells, so I'm not really feeling the need to go through that old shell pile when this tide is exposing so much good stuff. You know what I'm saying? pretty red scallop. It's nice, this white expanse, but then it's like, you know, I'm missing something because it's too white for me to see everything. I'm just focusing on the shoreline because stuff gets wet. Ooh, my feet just got wet and it is chilly. It is cold. Two pretty scallops. Anyway, surf like this, it washes stuff up. So sometimes it's just fun, and maybe you'll get lucky and stuff will wash up while you're walking by. And I'm also trying to train my camera to the left, because if I go to the right, you're just gonna see my shadow. Tomorrow morning we'll get up early to walk at sunrise. I do love walking at sunrise. It's just we went night shelling at 1 a.m. this morning. So I didn't really want to get up at 6 a.m. This is a combination trip, a little business, a little vacation, a lot of relaxation. Try to get relaxed for this new year. New mindset, hopefully less depressing than 2020. I'm not really one on New Year's resolutions. I don't see the point because no one really ever follows them. My resolution is just to keep living life, having fun whenever I can, and working hard like I normally do. Alright, so didn't really see much in this video. There's more dead fish, but I see a whole bunch of thick shell piles up there, so I'll stop recording for now, and when I get closer, hopefully there'll be some good stuff up there. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a happy new year.